Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips is raising concerns about the issuing of land titles to Jamaicans. Dr. Phillips says it doesn't seem Prime Minister Andrew Holness fully understands the nature of the problem and could be heading down the wrong path in addressing the problem of land ownership. TVJ Shamala Mitchell reports.
Leader of the opposition People's National Party, Dr. Peter Phillips, and newly elected PNP chairman for the St. Catherine Northwestern constituency, Hugh Graham, on tour on Thursday looking at issues affecting residents there. Dr. Phillips says while crime is not as bad as in the past years, land ownership remains a problem.
They've got the houses, they've got the diagrams, but the title is not yet in their hands. So we are hoping that will be done.
Dr. Phillips says despite the efforts of Prime Minister Andrew Holness to resolve the problem, more will have to be done. The opposition leader says he's not certain Mr. Holness fully understands the issues affecting land ownership.
At an average of 7,000 titles a year, in the context where 700,000 people are without titled access to land, you're looking at 70 years to resolve the problem or something like that. We are not in that kind of time frame. What we are talking about is to create a revolutionary legislative framework which will once and for all within a decade resolve this problem.
Meanwhile, Mr. Graham, who will replace Robert Pickersgill as the PNP candidate for the constituency in the next general election, says he will prioritize the needs of the people he wishes to represent.
The general persons in the area and the housing scheme, and just to see what the needs are and the real burden that the people are feeling, and to have a good takeaway. Because if we want to impact lives, we need to understand how people are impacted by the hardship and the situation that they are placed under.
Shamala Mitchell, TVJ News.